right, guys, let's get started with our math lesson today. So our math lesson for today is going to be in our Tara West booklet, the same one we've been working in all week, and we're going to be on lesson 2.6. What we're doing today is a lot like yesterday's lesson, except for today, we are going to be able to draw base 10 blocks to help with addition instead of using the actual base 10 blocks, okay? So, today you are just going to need you're going to need this chart, but you want to put it in a sheet protector if you have one. So like in your math folder, there should be a sheet protector. So you might want to use that and your dry erase marker, okay? If you don't have this, you can use your whiteboard. It will work just fine, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we have the problem 46 plus 32. Now, if you remember from yesterday, what we did was we would take this first problem, 46, and we would put it over here, but we would use our green base 10 blocks. Well, today we're not going to do that. Today we are going to draw a picture of them. So 46 means I have 1, 2, 3, 4 10 rods, or 10, 20, 30, 40, and 6 1 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if you are drawing this on a whiteboard and you don't have this page, one thing that I want you to make sure you do, when you're drawing your ones cubes, don't put more than 5 in a row. You want to imagine it like a 10 frame like this. And the reason that I tell you that is because that is going to help us in a few lessons when we start regrouping. So make sure that you only put 5 in a row and then you start another row. Okay, so we have 46 and we're adding 32. So we're going to put 32 down here using pictures. Okay, so 32 tells me I have 1, 2, 3 10 rods and 2 ones cubes. Okay, so we have 46 plus 32. I'm going to rewrite this problem vertically, making sure that I have my 10s lined up with my 10s and my 1s lined up with my 1s. Okay, now what we want to do is we are starting with our 1s. Okay, we always start with our 1s. So I have 6 1s plus 2 1s, and that's going to give me, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 1s plus 2 1s, we're going vertically. 6 1s plus 2 1s equals 8 1s. Then I'm going to move into my 10s column. 4 10s plus 3 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So my answer is 78. Very good. All right, let's try another one. See, like I said, this is very much like yesterday's lesson, except we're drawing today instead of using actual base 10 blocks. Let's start by rewriting this problem vertically. So you can do that on your board. You're going to write 27 plus 41. And again, make sure your 1s are on top of your 1s and your 10s are lined up on top of your 10s. Okay? So writing your problem vertically, and then we're going to solve the problem 27 plus 41. All right, 27. We draw that by doing our 10 rods. We know that 27 has 2 10 rods and 7 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop down to your next row. 6, 7. Okay, so we have 7. 27, and we're going to add 41 down here. So 41, we know it has 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, and 1 1. All right, we're going to start by adding our 1s. Always, always, always adding your 1s. 7 plus 1, 7, 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Okay, then we're going to add our 10s. 1, 2, plus 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And so 27 plus 41 equals 68. Very good. I want you to try this next one. But first, let's rewrite it vertically. 53 plus 14. I want you to draw your pictures and solve your problems, always starting with the ones, all right? So pause your video and then come back and see if you were correct. All right, 53. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 3 ones. Plus 14, 1 10 and 4 ones. 5 plus, starting with our ones. 3 plus 4 is 7, and 5 plus 1 is 6. Did you get 63 or 67? Good job. Here we go. We're going to try one more. 24 plus 65. Go ahead and pause your video, draw it out, solve it, and then come back and see if you were right. All right, here we go. 24 plus 65. You're going to start with your ones first. 4 plus 5 equals 9. 2 plus 6 equals 8. So our answer should have been 89. Now, what you are going to do, you are going to use this paper, the same one we've been using, and you can either, you're going to use a die and you're going to roll it 2 times. So you might roll it 2 times and roll a 2 and a 4. So it'll be 24 plus, roll it 2 more times, 1 and a 2. 24 plus 12. And you'll solve your problems, okay? When you're finished playing this game a couple of times, you are going to open your booklet to page 26, and it has a place for you to draw out all of your problems. It looks just like the sheet we were practicing with, all right? When you get finished with this, go ahead and turn it in on Seesaw. I hope you guys have a fabulous afternoon. Remember, no math small groups on Fridays, and I will see you on Monday.